Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to boost the performance on your PS4. And this is actually really easy. So if you have never done this before, you need to try this out to see if this boosts your performance. So hold down the PlayStation button, then go down to power and go to the right and go to where it says turn off PS4. So we want this completely turned off now. Now go to your PlayStation 4 and we want to press and hold down the power button. And make sure your controller is plugged in directly with a cable. So you can see this cable right here is plugged into my PS4 controller, and this will allow me to operate the safe mode menu. Now look at your PS4, wait for the light to stop blinking, and when it is completely turned off, hold down the power button. You'll hear one beep initially, and then you'll hear a second beep about 5 to 10 seconds later. So once you hear that second beep, let go and make sure your controller is plugged in and press the PlayStation button. And this will allow you to operate the safe mode menu. So here's the menu right here. Let's press the button, and then we can use the D-pad and go on down to option number 5, rebuild database. Go on over to OK, and it's going to restart your PlayStation 4. Now it said it's going to take a few hours on the screen, but in my experience it only takes maybe like 1 or 2 minutes for this to work. If you have an SSD, it should take only seconds. So this is going to defrag your hard drive, so if there's any kind of corrupted data or hard drive issues, it's going to go ahead and help resolve those so you don't have those problems in the future. So wait for this reload, and then it's going to bring you to this blue screen, and it's going to give you an estimated amount of time. Mine says 30 seconds, very quick. And then it's going to start up like normal, and your performance on your PS4 should be a little bit better now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.